10 ways to make money online without investment. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to reveal the top 10 ways to make money online, and the best part? You don't need to invest a dime. Number 1. Pick up freelance work. Now, let's get started with our first method, perfect for those with a unique skill set. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, you can pick up freelance work on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. To kick things off, create an appealing profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects. Depending on your expertise and the complexity of the tasks, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $100 per hour. People are making $500-$50K from freelancing work. Number 2. Test websites and apps. Our second method, testing websites and apps on usertesting.com, is a practical way to make money online. Here's how to get started and maximize your earnings. Sign up for free and create your user testing profile. Take a qualification test to qualify for paid opportunities. When you receive test invitations, act promptly, they have limited openings. During the tests, remember to think aloud by sharing your thoughts as you navigate websites and apps. Provide detailed written feedback after completing tasks. Payment typically ranges from $10 or more for each 20-minute test, paid via PayPal. Number 3. Take surveys for money. Earning money through surveys may seem too good to be true, but it's not. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion. To begin, sign up for websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research. You can earn anywhere from a few cents to several dollars per survey, and it adds up over time. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. In method number 4, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. It's a powerful way to earn online, and here's how to get started. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank make it accessible for anyone. Your earnings can vary but can range from a few dollars to hundreds or even thousands of dollars per sale, depending on the product. Simply sign up to ClickBank, grab the affiliate link of products that you want to promote. Now head to your Facebook, Instagram, or Reddit account to promote the products and earn a decent commission without spending anything. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. Have you ever considered starting a YouTube channel? If you haven't, you should now, as you can start without spending anything. You don't need to purchase expensive gears, just your smartphone to record and edit videos. YouTube can be a beast if you have passions and expertise in something. You can make money through ads and sponsorships. The income can vary widely, but some successful YouTubers make 6 figures or more annually. Number 6. Start a blog. Now, method number 6 is all about starting a blog. If you have a passion or expertise in a niche, here's how you can monetize it. Share your knowledge with the world on a blog. Monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Bloggers can earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on the traffic and niche. Number 7. Self-publish an ebook. In method number 7, we explore self-publishing an ebook, and here's how you can do it. If you're a wordsmith, turn your knowledge into a downloadable book. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can help you reach a global audience. Earnings can vary, but successful ebook authors can earn a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. Number 8. Become an Instagram influencer. Instagram is not just for sharing photos, it's method number 8. Here's how to start your journey as an Instagram influencer. Build a following, collaborate with brands, and earn money through sponsored posts. Your income depends on your follower count and engagement, but can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s per post. Number 9. Monetize your Twitch channel. For all you gamers out there, method number 9 is a dream come true. Here's how to monetize your Twitch channel by streaming your gaming sessions. Gain subscribers, collect donations, and secure sponsorships to turn your hobby into a career. Successful Twitch streamers can earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. Number 10. Sell your photography. Method number 10 is perfect for the photographers among us. Here's how to get started. You can sell your stunning photos on websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Your hobby can become a lucrative side hustle. The income varies based on the number of photos sold, but some photographers make a few hundred to several $1,000s per year. There you have it, folks. 10 incredible ways to make money online without investing a single cent. The internet is a treasure trove of opportunities just waiting for you to explore.